Okay, so here's the good news. Your waterfront is in fantastic shape, ecologically. Our experts say that the presence of snakes means that you have a great habitat and a healthy lake. But that's not particularly comforting when you're swimming with snakes, is it? Unfortunately, anything you do to make the area undesirable for the snakes, say blocking their underdeck access with chicken wire or removing logs or rocks where the water snakes might want to hang out, probably requires a permit. And, more importantly, also makes it undesirable for fish, frogs, and turtles. The only way to get rid of the snakes is to get rid of the other creatures too, which may not be a trade-off you want to make. But take comfort. Water snakes aren't dangerous. They're not venomous and they're generally not aggressive. They might be curious though, and they could be coming to check you out, as you're finding. Ironically, the best way to discourage the snakes might be to spend more time in the water. If they're repeatedly exposed to human activity, they may start to avoid you. They'll discover that all your splashing doesn't result in an opportunity for food. Sorry, we know that just live with them probably isn't the answer you're looking for. But if there's anything we've learned in producing Cottage Life magazine all these years, is that it's very difficult to evict animals from your cottage, but it's near impossible to evict them from their own homes.